So hello and welcome to another lecture in Argo CD Declarative GitOps CD course for Kubernetes by TechLatest.net. So what we had covered a lot of things like course overview, objectives, then what is Argo CD, key features of Argo CD, benefits of Argo CD, setup installation of Argo CD on GCP, AWS, and then in this lecture we will cover Azure, basically setup installation of Argo CD on Azure. Okay, so this is the step-by-step process. So next what we have to do, go on techlatest.net website, then click on product and support page. Then in product and support page, in DevOps category, you can find about the Argo CD product. So click on Argo CD product. So in this lecture, we will cover Azure Deployment Guide. So click on Azure Deployment Guide. And here you can see the setup installation of Argo CD on Azure. This section describes how to launch and connect to our effortless deployment on Kubernetes with the Argo CD VM solution on Azure. So this is the first step. Open uh, Argo CD VM listing on Azure Marketplace. So this is a direct link of Marketplace. Okay. So here you can see that the effortless deployment on Kubernetes with Argo CD. Now next you have to do click on Get It Now. Then click on Continue. Here you can see that taking you to the complete this process. And after this, what we have to do, wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It will redirect to the portal page, basically the Azure portal page. And here you can see that the effortless deployment Kubernetes with Argo CD VM overview, plans and pricing. Now next, what you have to do, click on create. After clicking on create, here you can see the basic details and other things. You can select the region according to your region. You can select the availability zones. Then you can select the security type. So let's go on our website first. So it will take you to the product details page. Click on create. We have completed this step. Select a resource group. Okay, so we have select the resource group also here. And here you can see that yes, we have selected our resource group. Now give virtual machine name, which is Argo CD VM1. Okay, so this is our virtual machine name. You can select reason. Then here you can see the security type. So let's see what is the security types here. And uh, in security types, you can see trusted launch virtual machines. So let's select trusted launch virtual machines. Then here you can see that note if you see the image is not compatible with the select security type to to keep trusted launch virtual machine, select a compatible image, otherwise change your security type back to standard. Error message below the image name as shown in the screenshot below, then please change the security type to the standard. Okay, so let's do here. Security type is standard. Okay, and then here you can see that your image is Argo CD standard plan X64 Gen 1. So here you can see same here. Then next what we have to do, uh, let's see availability options also. Okay, so the availability option is no infrastructure redundancy required. So yep, we can also select this one, basically the no infrastructure redundancy required option. Okay, now next what we have to do, we can select the authentication type as password, then give username as Ubuntu. Then here you can see give the password also. So give the password, and after giving the password, uh, confirm your password here. Then confirm the password, and here you can see that we have confirmed our password. We give the username. Now next we have to click on disk. Then here you can see the disk option. So let's go on our website and see the size of the VM and other things. Okay, so the we have selected the password. We have now select the disk and OS disk and other things. OS disk type is standard HDD here. So let's see standard. Let's select standard HDD option here. Okay, so and also key management is platform managed by same option here. Then optionally the network and some network names, we showed that whichever network specify as ports 22 for SSN, 3389 for RDP, and 443 for HTTPS expose. This VM comes with a pre-configured NSG role. You can check them by clicking on the create new option available under the security option group. Okay, so let's see one more thing. I am missing one more thing in this here. So the size is standard B4 MS 4B CPU 16 GB memory. Okay, and on our website, here you can see the same thing also. So we have select correct yeah, so correct size of the VM. Now click on next. Okay, so OS disk type is image default 30 GB. So let's see, yep, we have also correct we have also do right this doing these steps right. Now click on next monitoring, then click on next management. Now click on next advanced, then click on next text, then next review plus create, then next, and after this you can see that your running final validation is started now. Now you have to click on create button once it is valid. So here you can see the validation is passed. Now you have to click on create button. After this, wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Here you can see the initializing deployment is started now. So wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It will take some time to start your VM, and here you can see the submitting deployment is also started. Okay, so wait for 1 or 2 minutes, and here you can also see the deployment in progress, and here same here deployment is in progress. I can see that you have completed your deployment, like your deployment is completed now. Now click on go to resource space. After clicking on go to resource space, it will open an overview of the VM, like your public IP address, virtual network subnet name, then your status is running or not, your location and all the things. So you can check these all stuff. So now next step is very important step. So if you want to update the password, then open up the left navigation pane, select run command, select run shell script and enter following command to change the password. Okay, if you want to change the password, so you can change from this command. You can also copy this command from our website. Okay, so I will also show you. Simply type run, and here you can see the run command option, and after click on run shell script. So you have to run this script here, copy this script from our website, sudo echo ubuntu your password and change password. On place of your password, you can give your password of your choice basically. Okay, so you have to run this command only, and you will update your password successfully. Now I am not updating password right now because I have already updated my password in when we set up the VM. Okay, so I am using that password. Now again click on overview. Next, what we have to do, okay, so open the putty again, and paste the IP address here, then click on open and accept these terms. Now login as Ubuntu, and after login as Ubuntu, you have to give password. Okay, so password, we have set up password when we set up the VM. Okay, so you can also set up the password in fourth step, basically from run command and run shell script. Okay, so yep, and let's go. We have to do some more things. And after this, what let's see. Yes, you can see that we have successfully logged in our fish terminal, and here you can see the VM name also, Argo CD VM1. This is our VM name. Now next, what we have to do, we have completed these steps. Then from a local Windows machine we have completed, and one more thing, I'm on Windows operating system. If you are a Linux user, so you can use Ramina for this connection. Okay, basically the remote desktop environment or remote desktop connection. Okay, so open the remote desktop option now, remote desktop connection, then paste the public IP address here, then click on connect, and after clicking on connect, accept these terms, basically yes, click on yes. Now you are connected to out of the box effortless deployment on Kubernetes with Argo CD VM desktop via Windows machine. Okay, and same here, if you are a Linux user, so you can use Ramina. This is the direct link to install the Ramina on your Linux operating system. Okay, and then you will follow the same steps. You can also check it out on our website. Okay, so let's go on our next step. So to access the Argo CD web interface, copy the public address of the VM from the VM overview page and enter in the browser as https slash slash public IP of the VM. Make sure to use https in the URL. Browser will show you the security warnings, accept the warnings and continue to login page. Okay. So give we have started our VM. Give username as Ubuntu. open tool and give password here. Okay, and click on OK. So yep, it will take 1 or 2 minutes to start your VM. Now copy the IP address here, then open your Ignito window or any other browser. Next, what we have to do is the IP address here, then hit enter. And also let's see our VM is started or not. Yes, you can see that our VM is in process, and here you can see that it will start slowly. So yeah, you can see that our VM is also started here. You can find all the things, all the stuff here. Now let's go on our browser. Okay, so you can reload this because it will take some time to start your user interface basically. And let's see what is our next step. Then to retrieve the Argo CD UI password, connect via terminal and run the below command. Basically, this is the command for the password. And on the login page, enter admin as username and password we retrieve from the MR command and sign in. So this is the Argo CD home page. Okay, and let's go on our browser again, then reload this. Yes, it will take some more time. Yes, you can see that this is coming. Your connection is not private. Now click on advanced, then click to this IP address. And here you can see that we have successfully see our, like we have successfully view our Argo CD user interface. Now give username as admin. Okay, now we have to set up the password now. So copy this command basically, and after copying this command, now you go on your terminal. So go on terminal, paste this command and enter. So you can see that this will give the password. So copy this password from here, copy this password. Now again go on your browser, give the password here, then click on sign in option. Okay, so yes, you can see that your Argo CD user interface is started now. You can do some stuff from you can do other things here, or you can do anything or like stuff you can deploy here. Now if you want to update the password, so you can click on user info and then click on update password option, then click give current password, new password and confirm password. You can also update the password from here. So that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also follow us on social media platforms including LinkedIn, Twitter and Medium. And we will also will post some good stuff and blogs on Medium related to courses and latest technologies. So yeah, bye bye. We will meet in next video.